scary, I don't know what to do.
Face down, hands behind your back.
On September 8th, 2023, police were called to a Comfort and After Management advise. They had a large female in a bathing suit running around on the second floor, causing a disturbance, and they want her trespassed.
Who is it?
Sheriff's office.
Might I ask what the problem is?
Sheriff's office.
I was approached by someone, and I would like to know what the problem is. Because I can't even get in my own pool. There was a dog in the parking lot.
Unlock the door. Unlock the door.
You're going to go to jail if you don't open the door.
If you don't open this, you're going to go to jail.
I'm going to DFAX, and I'm going to my lawyers. I want you all to calm down for a minute.
Unlock the door, please.
And I will unlock it for you.
Okay, go ahead and remove it.
Unlock it.
Might I ask why?
Because we're telling you to.
Do you have a warrant?
I don't need a warrant.
Don't need one.
Why was that lady?
You're going to jail.
All right, you've been warned.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yep, so are we. Open the door.
What do you want me to do, baby?
Unlock the door.
Okay, are you going to arrest me?
Unlock the door.
No. Go get my lawyer.
Okay, now you just added a charge of resisting. Good job.
No, I would like to speak with my lawyer. The lady replied to the fruits.
Cool. You just got trespass after warning and resisting.
I'm going to leave if it's all right.
Yeah, come on
you
out.
are leaving.
Come on out.
I believe that the hotel across the street tried to poison me over chlorine. I tried to go there last night to run from the guy that I believe is a pedophile above my head. And then I was refused service at 2 hotels. I've never been in this hotel. I say to myself, I'm going to go
Room
to the pool,
326.
enjoy the pool, then go about all this city freaking business that I still have to do because my aunt has just died.
Man, would
So
you unlock
now
the door,
I have to try
please?
to make sure that my money from my grandfather that she took illegally from me is secure. Is that
I can't talk to you through the door. Would you unlock the door, please?
I don't want y'all to rush on me.
I'm not going to rush on you. Unlock the door.
You guys just were like, la 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 la.
All right, well, da-la-la-la-la-la, open the
Well,
door.
that's a big deal to some people,
All
okay?
right, well, da-la-la-la-la, open the
Just
door.
like something getting poisoning.
Unlock the door, please.
Sir, I'm just asking. I told you guys about Wilson's thing that was closed.
Remove that lock, and we'll talk further.
Well, might we go outside so that I can see?
I think that sounds like an excellent idea. Why don't you unlock that door?
I'm trying to compromise with you guys.
Okay, well,
you know how scary it is being in my position? My mom is dead.
Yes, ma'am. We're in a compromising mood. Go ahead and open that up.
I'm trying to get to my own business, and there is so many.
Would you unlock the door, please?
Gold hoop in the floor.
We're getting a special key for that door. If we have to use that, are you going to open it or not?
What might be occurring?
Okay, he's already got it.
I don't know. What do you want me to do? Keep forcing the blonde on me? Because she looks like a psychopath. That means she might be. It isn't her. Sir, calm down, and I'll give you a second. Just calm down. You don't have to break in the door.
Apparently you do.
Just chill. I'll open.
Unlock it. Here we go.
Look, man, what do you want me to say to you? I want to speak with my lawyer.
Okay, you're going to need a lawyer.
Yes, you do. Stop. Shut the hell. You are an abomination. And who might y'all be? Age rank number, mother. How many of us have been
Taser.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Yes, sir, I will. I apologize. It's so scary, I don't know what to do.
Face down, hands behind your back.
Please, I'm not anyone. I'm just someone's daughter lost down here. I'm here, shut up. I want to speak to my lawyer. I want to speak to my lawyer from Punta Gorda.
You'll get a chance to do that.
Thank you, sir. I apologize. That was horrible. Please don't do this to me, you guys. Look at the blueprints.
All right. Go ahead and sit up.
I'm so sorry. Might I have this?
Hold on.
Where's your wallet?
My wallet is in my...
Is it in your purse?
I believe it's in my beach
bag.
Yeah, I brought it with me. Imagine if I hadn't. I'm sorry.
God, it's a flashlight. Did you request this? No.
Might I have a cigarette?
Have you taken anything today?
No, sir.
Because you're a little on the extra side.
I'm just going through something really hard. And when I went to the place where they were supposed to solve it, they were more concerned with Ty McLeod than they were with helping me get to the therapist. Now, I did get to the therapist, but the mental health ladies, they don't cover under the judge. They flutter around like they can do whatever they want. And it's very hard when that happens, especially when you've paid.
You live right down the street on Rampart. Why are you here?
Because that guy lives above. It's like this weird thing with my aunt
314,
and the
copy
babies. So I don't want to get hurt, right? So I don't even know where she's been buried. And it's real important. But,
November 12/11/1980.
ow.
All right.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what to say. I didn't
Well,
mean to
the
resist.
easy answer is, hi,
Yes,
how
sir.
are you? My name's, right?
Yes, sir. That's
That's
my
all you got to do.
I'm sorry.
Instead of struggling and being all slimy, right?
It smelled like urine.
At least the bed's all nice and made. All right. So you will be going to jail today for trespass after warning.
No,
and
I
resisting.
asked her who she was, and she didn't tell me who she was, sir. I'd like for you to rethink it for a moment.
I don't even think anything.
Can I please go to the BHU and calm down? I finally got my hair untangled, and that's where the judge asked me to go. I had to ask him 3 times for an MHE, not a psych. So I don't know where they were going to put me, but if they shaved my head, I was going to freak out.
She is making Los Valdiel. Have you shown her information for supervisor?
Now, just
Before and
Imagine that.
$6,000, and the therapist was more concerned with McLeod than with getting the information across to the therapist. I was able to go after I got out, so I must have been able to say something. Because they've been shaming me since I got here. And you know, like, it's hard to find private investigators. I asked for the private eyes number, it takes some days.
CSU. How's that? What do you think?
I'm like, we're making the defects tonight. But I don't know what I'm going to do about my house. What about the pedophile and all those other pedophiles over there that I got pushed into instead of being able to, like, be with McLeod?
You have your,
I'm just, I had to wait for a year to prove to Miss Connie, my doctor,
you,
why in the pen I
you
didn't
don't
have
have
the
mustache with
sleeping
you.
pills
No.
that I
Where's
needed.
mustache?
She then took me on a brain draft of a brain-changing drug instead of just a drug that puts
Would you mind
to
standing
sleep.
up? Would you mind standing up for me? We'll get you some shoes. You get your little sandals there, and we'll
Might I
walk
put
out.
on
Okay.
some clothes? Is there any way you guys can put all my stuff together? I have a one in the It's just like a one piece. I bought it. I don't know if he's gonna be like. I don't know. Like, I'm gonna go to prison for 8 years if you guys take me off instead of being able to do my business.
I didn't do that to you.
Yeah, you did when you let Ellen sell me like a slave.
You're gonna stop.
Can I have a cigarette, please, sir? Why is it my fault?
Stop tensing up.
I want someone to collect my property. Please bring my.
Stop tensing up.
I have $200 glasses on.
Stop.
Goddamn box so I can get into that studio.
And you're gonna walk like
And
a
it's
grown
my
up.
studio.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir, I do.
You
Yes, sir,
understand
yes,
me?
sir. Do I say no or what do you say?
Right, left.
Can I speak to my lawyer while we're here?
No.
Why did you say no then? Remember? God doesn't have to work mine. I'm so sorry. The chlorine scared me. And they've been pacing me back and forth yelling. And then they've been chasing Ty around over that old man. I wouldn't have even seen the husband at all. All I knew was some guy messing with him when I tried to put a lock on my door.
Hey, buddy.
So I was just gonna walk. Please don't see me. I can do it. But you guys have to move at the same time. Like, when I told the therapist to try to help me with the thing upstairs, I guess, you know, it's a bank thing. Like what Susan was doing when she asked me to sign a quitclaim deed and then mortgage out. And she called my dad a loose cannon. But really, it kind of wasn't. He made her $700,000. He wasn't a dumb. It was a good son. Don't you think that my little glass ideals might make some good money?
No idea. This way.
Well, the golden hoop on my mag light, that better not come off, because that didn't come in the building. I knew when she came out there. She came out there to cause me problems. Asked me what that lady was doing last night. Is there tulip in the lemonade? Maybe checking those things. No, taste it. I'm serious. Because look at them berries down there. What do you think I'm a little scared
Look at them
of?
berries.
Yeah.
Like
Do
berries and cream.
Well, what does lemonade taste like to you, sir? Toby?
Berries and cream. Berries and cream.
The Marmalade Hills of VHSville. Please make sure I get my property, okay? I'm so sorry. It's really hard.
Nothing new
You got
here.
anything
All right.
on your?
Never have a baby. We'll see.
Have a seat. Fantastic.
And I plan to make sure they
Does
have
she
enough
still have one
money
in
for
her?
calls,
Yes.
not to be yelled at all the time.
All right. We're gonna get this out of the little probe out of you, okay?
Okay, sure.
All right.
You're not going to put no more probes in me, are you?
No.
Okay, because I did see a guy with his head shaved and a plastic probe in him. I don't want that to happen to my
Lean back.
mind.
Lean back.
You understand, Fafavillian? Oh,
The Rays are the ones that do the probing.
Got it.
that seat. I'm sorry, I didn't want
I think
to
that was the only one.
There's another wire coming.
Lift
I
your,
know
lift
there
your head
was too
up.
much chlorine in there. I smoke, so I can throw
Turn that way.
ammonia. You can,
Turn that way.
You can tell it.
Turn that way. Nope, the other way.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. Stop.
Just keep in motion, right?
All of them?
We'll see. I'm sorry, it took so long to get there, and I don't have anyone to
Six
talk
did.
to.
There's some up there in the room.
Well, I know that, but I thought 3 actually made contact. I don't know. I didn't see. It looked like one.
I deployed 2.
You deployed
Did
2.
you
I
fire
didn't see
twice?
it. I didn't see you fire twice.
I didn't see you fire twice.
My first
It
one
was a
wasn't
little-
Oh, I
effective,
fired.
so I fired the second one.
Okay.
It wasn't too bad, I didn't die.
Yeah.